What's up, guys? It's Manny VH here again. Today I just wanted to show you some shooting from my balcony over here, my little sniper's nest, all the way down there to that little target right there. So I'm going to be sitting right here, shooting way down here. So let's go. I'm not sure how far in yardage this is, but I would estimate about 30 yards, maybe 35. And right here, this is my little plinker I made. Well, there you go. As I explained in my previous video, the scope I have is the stock Optima scope on my Hatson 95, and honestly it's just really crappy. The mounts are all loose, and so I'm going to replace it pretty soon. So for right now I was only able to hit the large target here, and the smaller one. This large one is, I would say, roughly 2.5 inches. This one's about 2 inches, and this one I try to keep just around 1 inch. I tried twice for that one and I couldn't hit it, but it looks like I skimmed it just slightly right here. Maybe that was on a previous shot, but I just built this thing yesterday, so I haven't gotten many shots off on it yet. Anyways, it's lots of fun so far, but until next time guys, I'll just catch you later.